Ek wil vir julle ietsiekie speel. Mm, die DA se vlekkies is besig om geknip te word. Yes, Trump is besig om George Soros te investigate en Open Society Foundations wat ook in Suid-Afrika hardloop, gaan uit fondse uit hardloop. So, man, man, ek is lief vir wat Trump nou doen. Ek is lief daarvoor. Mag die DA tot 'n val kom. En julle sal sien hoekom ek so sê. Julle sal sien. Kom ek speel vir julle hierdie dingetjie.
George Soros. Now, Georgie, I'm giving you a heads up. You're in trouble. President Trump's trying to make a RICO case against you for funding violent terrorism. I don't know whether that's going to come about, but that's what the effort is, George. Capital Research Center. It is a conservative group. It has issued a report. Report says that Soros has given $80 million, $80 million, to groups tied to terrorism or extremist violence. Some of those groups are Sunrise Movement, Center for Third World Organizing, Ruckus Society, Stop Cop City, Defend the Atlanta Forest Coalition, Atlanta Solidarity Fund, Blackout Collective. Okay? So it's very specific. Now, the report from the Capital Research Center, again, a conservative group, says this, quote, Open Society has sent millions of dollars to U.S.-based organizations that engage in direct actions the FBI defines as domestic terrorism. These groups include the Center for Third World Organizing, its militant partner Ruckus Society, which trained activists in property destruction and sabotage during the 2020 riots. Sunrise Movement, which endorsed the Antifa-linked Stop Cop City campaign, in which activists currently face more than 40 domestic terrorism charges and 60 racketeering indictments, unquote. That's RICO. That's coming. I think that's coming. If this report is true by this group. And remember, I want to emphasize it is a political group. Okay. Another group, Center for Strategic and International Studies, is centrist, they say. Okay? And has issued a report that says left-wing terrorism is at its highest level in 30 years. Here's the summation, quote, moreover, 2025 marks the first time in more than 30 years that left-wing attacks outnumber those from the far right. Indeed, the increase in left-wing attacks is particularly noticeable because attacks from right-wing perpetrators have sharply declined in 2025. Okay, that is their report. Now, I can't confirm any of that. I'm just reporting what is there. Remember, President Biden said the biggest danger to this country is right-wing extremism, which, of course, he couldn't back up.
Nou gaan ek vir julle hierdie ding ook speel. Dan koop julle oogies gaan nou oop. Koop julle oogies gaan nou oop. Onthou, die DA staan saam met die Pride. Wat sê die Bybel? Spreuke 29 vers 23. Hoogmoed bring 'n mens tot val. Nederigheid bring eer. Kyk. Ek koop die DA val. Koop die DA val. Koop, ek bid hulle val. Ja, goed. Laat ek gou hierdie dingetjie speel vir julle. En dan sal julle oogies bietjie oop gaan. Oop so.
Voters have said we don't want the ANC. You know who's keeping the ANC in power? The DA. It's the DA that's keeping the ANC in power with policies like BEE. If tomorrow the DA withdraws the support for the ANC government will collapse and its BEE policies will go out of the window. Voters have said...
Okay. Maar het is vir my great dat president Donald Trump die Open Society Foundation se funding gaan stop en dat hulle vir George Soros gaan investigate. Dit beteken net een ding. Dit beteken net een ding. Die DA gaan hulle gatte sien. Ja, die DA gaan hulle gatte sien, want daar gaan nie meer fondse wees nie. Lekker dag vir julle.